Yes, so hi everyone, and welcome to our free weekly market outlook. Hope that you're good, hope that you're doing great. Okay, so let's start with the published idea. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask, and I will answer all the questions that you have. Okay, so let's start. I will share with you first the published idea. So keep an idea and trade it, okay? Stick to the trade which I'm showing to you, okay? If you are not following us on TradingView, follow us. There you will get the updates, okay? When I will update the idea, you will be notified by the email. Or if you want, you can also join our free Telegram group where I'm also updating all the charts that I'm sharing with you for free. Okay? So let's go. Let's start with the setup. I have posted the don't miss the sell on New Zealand CAD. There is the really nice and wonderful trade which is coming in the upcoming days and weeks. Okay? So you should not miss it. Just keep an eye there on your sell setups. The chart is already preparing for the drop to the downside. So what you will have to do, you have to watch lower time frame and you will be keep selling all the way back to that bottom. Okay, when the price will break that bottom, you will start selling. But yeah, this is the really nice move, and you can make at least 10%. Okay, you can even make more if you're skilled enough. You can maybe double your account or at least make 50% of your trading account. Depends on your risk and depends on your skills, how trained you are. Okay, so let's go. There's the one chart which already is moving. New Zealand chief. Okay, so how far is it going? Is going all the way back to break at least this bottom. Okay, so this bottom at least needed to be broken. Okay, so now it is trying to push lower and yeah, try to catch all the setups to break that bottom. Okay, I think that's not hard idea. That News in Chief, it's easy chart. Okay, Cadian, what we are anticipating there we are watching for the sell. The sell is already in the making, so if you are into the sell already, great. Okay, so you are doing wonderful. But if not, keep an eye and keep on watching the sell setups. Okay, the nice sells are coming all the way back to the trend line. Okay, if the price will be struggling around the trend line, take off your profit because we are going for one more high and you can extend the trend line and you will be a seller again from the top. Okay, so if you're not already the seller, wait. If you get the setup, if you catch the setup, take it all the way back to the trend line. Okay, then watch it closely. If it will break down, wonderful, congratulations, you have a nice trade. If not, watch the chart to push up once again, close to those previous highs, and then you will watch for one more sell. Easy. Just keep an eye on the charts and you will know what the price is doing. Okay, DXY is also looking ready for me. We were watching these two going up, we catch those buys, but we close them on break even because the chart has trying to push lower and tag that bottom. Okay, so we close all those buy in our trading academy with break even trades. Okay, we have recognized that this is not going as we were anticipated, and yeah, this is the reason why we close the trades on break even. Okay, so let's have a look what the chart has done. Okay, as you can see that it went up. Okay, so this is the trade where you should close down break even. Okay, there is the trade where you should not trigger that trade. There was no buy setups, and now is the time to watch the chart. Okay, watch it again. I still see at least this kind of the movement. Okay, and then the chart can continue to go to the downside or to the upside. Okay, depends, but I will show you the possibilities later on when I will go step by step by those ideas what we are anticipating. Euro yen, there's also a nice and wonderful trading setup which is preparing for us. Okay, this thing will go down, so you watch only sell setups. Don't try to get into the buy setup. The buy setup, it's not good. It doesn't matter if it will appear, it will not last longer. Okay, so you should rather stick to your sell setups, and we are anticipating break of that bottom. Okay, so keep an eye there for this move. Nice money is coming right there. Okay, so there's also 10, 20 or 30% of your profit from your account. Okay, so easy trade, easy money is coming there. Just keep an eye there, watch it closely, plan the trade, and you will make nice money on it. Okay, the copper went higher, and yeah, those are the old ideas. Okay, it's everything gone, but if you want, you can check those trades. You will see our previous forecasts, how we are trading, and yeah, feel free to check and feel free to follow us. If you have any questions, you can just type the question and I will try to answer all the questions, okay? But I cannot answer into the details because this is not fair to my students which are in my trading academy. Okay, so if you guys are interested to join our trading academy, just feel free to go on our website. Okay, just simply go to our tradewithmaster.eu website. Okay, let me just load the page. Okay, it's loading a bit longer. Okay, so let's go under the membership and choose the membership which you would like to choose or which you feel comfortable with. Okay, so prices are not expensive. This is everything one-time payment. So once you will decided to join us, just choose the membership and I will welcome you in my private groups where we are holding every day a daily webinars. We are also having the daily setups, and if you have any questions, we are all the time answering and supporting the traders to succeed and to make profit. Okay, so let's go. Let me just start with the trades. DXY, that one will be the first one. I always start with the DXY. So what we are anticipating there. Okay, so if you were buying there the dollar, you should close that on break-even trades, and now is the time that chart will start to push higher. Okay, so what is your job and what you should do? Keep an eye there on lower time frame and keep buying. Okay, keep buying. The price will go at least tag that high. Okay, we will see at least tag of that high. But if this price or if this move will be aggressive, then this can just break out of that structure. Okay, so then we will be anticipating a nice wave to tag that high. But yeah, like I said, just keep an eye for your buy setups. You cannot miss it. Okay, I don't think that DXY can drop down. If it will drop down, then this setup will become invalidated, but I don't see that it will break down. Just keep an eye there on the 1 hour, 50 minutes, or maybe even 5 minutes. If you're skilled enough, then you can trade it. Okay, but yeah, as you can see that the price can just tag that high bottom. Okay, it can only tag it and then it will start at the bounce to the upside. Okay, move could be similar like that one. Okay, so I can copy that one so you can imagine how the chart will look like. Okay, this is what we can have over there. Okay, this is the move which we're anticipating. The your job is only to keep an eye on 15-minute time frame. Okay, 15-minute time frame will be enough for you. Okay, as you can see that this can just start to push higher. Okay, so watch it as soon as the market will open. Okay, the market can open with the gaps today. Okay, so gap to the upside, it's really possible. Let's go. Let's move now with the Euro USD. Okay, I will first go with the all dollar pairs, then I will go to the others. Okay, so as you can see that Euro USD is already at the top. Okay, if you are selling somewhere from there, doesn't matter, or there, okay, this thing will go down. Okay, so no worries. Price is about to push lower, so we will see there a nice flat. Okay, nice flat is about to develop over there, and around the previous bottom we should recognize what the price is trying to do. Will that stop there or by the trend line and then totally break out of the structure? Okay, but we cannot say right now when we will be selling it. Okay, there is a nice money. Okay, just keep an eye there on lower time frame, take the sells, keep selling all the way to that bottom. Okay, then I will notify you when this move is over, if it will turn to the upside or it will continue to the downside. Okay, but yeah, this spot for watch is only there, so it's long way to go before you will have to decide. Okay, just keep an eye there in the upcoming week for this kind of the movement. Okay, this is the DXY. Okay, when you will see the DXY will start to push to the upside, you will see this movement. Okay, really nice movement, and there's the nice money where you will make a nice profit. Okay, so let me just collect this. I will go with dollar price, like I said. Okay, New Zealand USD, similar move there. Okay, so I do anticipate a quite similar move. This thing can struggle there a little bit, but it will go to the downside. Okay, I'm still sticking to this move all the way back to those previous bottoms. Okay, so keep on watching for your sell setups and take your profit around the previous bottom. Okay, I think that New Zealand can just turn to the upside and it will break out of the bigger structure. Okay, there's the daily structure and it can totally break out. Okay, if this move there once you get into the sell, if this move will be aggressive around the previous bottom, just keep it. Keep it because it will go all the way back to that bottom. Okay, this is the bottom where the price can push, but yeah, just get in for the sell, then we'll have to decide. Aussie USD, so what we are anticipating over there. There's also a nice trade. Okay, so keep an eye there. The price can just push all the way back to the previous bottom, and then the price will start to reverse to the downside. Okay, so quite similar movement as the other dollar pairs. Okay, am I interested to sell it from there? I'm not so interested to sell from there. Okay, the price is it's not looking good from where it is right now. Okay, so this is the reason why I don't like to sell it from there. So I would like to see the price pushing all the way back to the bottom or sell it from there. This is my selling point, and then I will keep selling. Otherwise I will let it break and then I will be keep correcting, but I don't see the total breakdown. Okay, so let's have a look on high time frame. Okay, so I don't see that this will be total breakdown. Okay, so what I do anticipate is tag the previous high, going down, tag the previous bottom, then we'll have a nice flat, which will push the pair all the way back to the top. Okay, so keep an eye there for your sell setup first. Okay, first sell setup, but don't sell it from there. Okay, as it's not good, it's not looking good entry point. Okay, you are selling actually in the middle. Okay, rather wait and rather stick to that buy, watch it, let it tag the high, watch for a sell setup, go for that sell. Okay, I think this is easy chart also. Pound USD. Let's have a look what do we have there. That one is a bit more complicated, but it will also go, okay? It's a bit it's looking a little bit against the dollar pair, okay? That could be the pound movement, okay? I see it tagging that high. Or if this thing will start to drop down, we will see the break there and then we'll start to drop down. Okay, so Pound USD is the only chart which I'm not watching it actually because we are in the middle of nowhere, we are in the middle of the structure, and that can just carry risk. And yeah, I don't like to trade it there in the middle. Okay, there are many other pairs which are forming much more potential setups, much more profitable setups, and yeah, you should stick to the others. USD CAD. Okay, this one is nicely trying to push higher, so this thing there, oh sorry, this thing will also push to the upside, so keep an eye for your buy setups. Okay, price is trying to push higher, we will see at least break of that high. Okay, but I'm aiming for tag of that trend line. Okay, that could be a nice structure there before the price will continue to downside. Yeah, okay, so keep an eye there for your buy setup in the upcoming quick. If this thing will retag the previous bottom, no worries, this will be the dollar movement, but it will still go to the upside. Okay, so in any case, if this will drop down, don't worry, still wait for this. Okay, so keep on focus for your buy setups. Sell setup should not mess with you, and you should not change your view or change your direction because of that short-term sell. Okay, there is no money. Okay, you cannot make money in those kind of short moves. You will only make big tons of money in the movements which are going fast. Okay, this is where you can make movement. Okay, scalping there in that zone is quite dangerous, and yeah, this is for those who are not skilled enough and those who are having the small capitals to trade. Okay, those are the scalpers. Okay, so stick for this move. Okay, you will make nice money over there. USD Chief, nice chart also there. Okay, so let it break the bottom. Okay, let it break this bottom. Okay, but once it will break, keep on watching for the buy setups. Okay, this thing has also preparing for the nice wave for the upside. Okay, so as you can see there, in the upcoming week and upcoming month, there will be a ton of nice setups. Okay, so there is the nice money which is preparing. Okay, and you should not miss the moves. Okay, so you have to put your eyes on the chart and watch them, watch for the setups, prepare and trade it. Okay? Nice chart. Nice chart. Okay? But I will start watching it soon as this will break the bottom. Okay? There is not a good spot for the buying actually, so I would rather wait for there to push lower, then I will watch it closely on lower time frames to recognize price action. Okay, this is everything from the dollar pairs. Okay, the dollar pairs are over, so let me just start now with the New Zealand chief, sorry. New Zealand chief, it's also forming a nice sell setups. Okay, so if you are already into the sell grade, you're doing wonderful jobs. Okay, wonderful trades. Okay, there was some sell setups from there. If not, wait this. Okay, let it let it form you a nice setup. Go for the sell, and you have to decide what the price will do by the previous trend line. Okay, but as I can see that this it will just break down. We will see at least break of this bottom. Okay, so let me move that on higher time frame. It's much more visible actually on higher time frame. Okay, so look at that one. Okay, look at that setup. Let it give you a nice setup. Take that trade, and you'll see how far it will go. But I can see it breaking those bottoms, and yeah, I see it there down. Okay, tagging this bottom. Okay, this is my view. Okay, so this is what I do anticipate. Can it go even a bit lower? Okay, that possibility also exists. So let me just show you the 4 hour chart. Okay, 4 hour chart is that one. Okay, so I can see this one going down like that. And then this will turn into the bigger correction, and then it will start to push higher. Okay, but yeah, you should not be a seller around the previous bottom. Okay, this is where you should not be a seller. You have to catch the sell before tagging that bottom. Okay, because if you will get into the sell by the previous bottom, okay, this really carry your risk, and you have no time to manage your trade, and you have no time to take a decision. So watch it to get in before tagging the previous bottom. Okay, Euro what do we have there? Okay, this is still the nice structure. This will push down, so watch it. Watch it to sell it from the top. Okay, the nice wave is also coming down. If you will get in somewhere there, okay, doesn't matter, just keep the trade, put that on break even once the chart will start to push, and you will see it. I also anticipate this one breaking this bottom. Okay, so once you will start selling, that's a nice move. Okay, so which stop loss should you keep? Okay, so something like, I don't know, 90 pip at least. Okay, and then it will go all the way back to that bottom. Okay, so this one big trade will be 3%, but you will be keep adding. Okay, you will be keep adding. So yeah, you can also. Okay, so I just got disconnected by microphone. Okay, so you will be keep adding there on your lower time frame setups, and you can make at least 15% to 20% of your capital if you are risking only 1% on your account. Okay, so watch it. We will definitely not miss the moves. Okay, so let's have a look here, cat. Okay, that one is also forming a nice and setting up for a nice breakdown. Okay, so what we are having there, okay, this is the nice flat trying to appear over there, and I see at least break of these bottoms. Okay, I see at least breaking those bottoms before this thing can turn to the upside. Okay, but yeah, so watch for your sell setups. You cannot miss it. Okay, so get ready for your sell setups and take the trades. Okay, as you can see that there are many setups which are trying to get ready into the upcoming week, so focus on your sell setups. That's all. New Zealand cat, also nice trade. Okay, so yeah, there was one trade. If you took that one, keep an eye there. When the market will open, this thing will go down. So what you will do, you will be keep selling. Okay, this move could be really fast. Okay, so once you will get in, that will be 1 to 2 trades probably, and then it will go all the way back to the bottom. Okay, we'll see the fast movement which will go and break all those bottoms. Okay, and then the price will turn to the upside. Okay, but at the moment this is not ready yet. You have to watch it. Watch it for your sell stops. Okay, keep an eye. It's worth of taking it. Okay, so there are many. As you can see that there are many setups which are forming in the upcoming week. I do not prefer that you will take them all. Okay, choose some of them, 2 or 3, watch them closely, take them, trade them, take the big money on them, and that's all. Yeah, okay, because if you will focus on them all, you will miss the trades. Okay, I can guarantee that you cannot trade them all, and you are then also risking more. Okay, so like I said, watch for your sell stops. It's going back down to break that bottom. Here in New Zealand, what we're having over there. Okay, price is trying to complete the pattern. Okay, so can I go into the sell? No, I'm not interested to take that sell. But yeah, if the price will struggle there, okay, you wanna see some struggling there. You wanna see on lower time frame the price action by the previous bottom. Okay, that's gonna confirm that you can start watching for your buys. You will get into that buy and you will take fast money out. Okay, maybe 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, maybe. Okay, depends how you will catch it. Depends how you will set up your risk management and how you will put your setup actually. Okay, but for now let it tag that bottom, then you will have to decide, have to see some price action, and then you will be keep buying to the top, then we'll start selling it. Okay, so this is the next movement. Okay, I see that the actually break of this. Okay, I see the break somewhere there. This is what I can anticipate. Okay, and something like that, this it will go down then. So watch it. Also New Zealand, what we are having there. Okay, so if you were trading there by the previous weekly market outlook, you should catch that one. If not, let's wait. Okay, let's wait a couple of more hours. That's gonna give you a nice 1 hour setup, which will push all the way back to that high. We will see the target of that high. It can even break it, okay, but a little bit, and then it can just fall down. So can I go for the sell right now? I don't think that this can fall down from where it is right now. Okay, I don't see it. I see just the break of that bottom, and then I can see push higher. Then we will go for the sell. Okay, but yeah, I'm not interested for this move. Okay, I'm interested for the big move. Okay, I'm there to make money, not to gamble and scalp there with small accounts. Okay, small money, it's not what I'm interested in. Okay, we are here to make money, not to trade. Okay, so this is the business. This is not a gambling. So stick to that sell setup. Aussie Chief, it's also trying to push lower, but that one is quite specific. Okay, I think this can tag the trend line and go for one more high. Okay, so this is what we can have over there, and then it will go down. So if you are getting in from there, from those highs, okay, great. Protect yourself, put it on break even. Okay, this thing can turn up for one more high. It will give you bigger correction and then go down. Okay, so keep an eye there on the 15-minute. Okay, 15-minute time frame will be enough. So if you're already in, wait. Okay, you can maybe add one more cell, something like that. You'll be able to add one more cell, and then you will see how far this will go. Okay, this move is quite possible. So yeah, I'm not watching that. Okay, I'm not watching this, but the possibility still exists over there. This move. Okay, let me just draw down so you will know what exactly I'm watching. Okay, I'm watching that the price will stop by the trend line. Give me some kind of a price. Actually, it can go a little bit lower. Actually, okay. The the trend lines are not the indicators. Okay, trend lines are not showing the upcoming move. Okay, you cannot rely only on trend line. Then you will probably lose your money. Okay, the thing which you have to rely on is pattern. Okay, you have to be able to recognize the pattern in the right time, and then you can take the upcoming trades. So keep an eye there, and you will see if the price will start to struggle somewhere there, you can go for that buy if you catch the buy setup. Euro Aussie, okay, this one is also struggling there. Okay, I'm not interested to go for the buy right there. Okay, this thing is looking for the one more down, and from there I would rather watch it to buy. Okay, if this thing will break up, I don't care. Okay, let it break, and then I will watch for the sell. Okay, if this will give me somewhere there buy setup, I will take it. Okay, then I will see how it will behave around the previous top. It can also break it, and then it can turn totally to the downside. So which one it will be? Keep an eye and you will see. But yeah, it would be better if the price will go down in the upcoming week, and then on Friday we will see some bounce to the upside, and then we will be start buying it. Aussie cat is preparing for the drop down. Okay, this thing is going down, so keep an eye there. Take the sell, and you'll see how far this will go. Okay, so nice trade. Watch lower time frame. Once you will get in, once you will set your risk to reward ratio, your setup actually, then you will see how far it will go. Okay, but be careful on the previous bottom. So that means you will not be selling by the previous bottom. You should sell it somewhere there or by the previous high. Okay, so this is where your sell should be placed. Okay, you should not be selling that low. Okay, then you will be risking too much money and your entry point is really low, so you don't have time to manage your trade. So keep an eye there. Keep an eye there now before taking the previous bottom. Okay, catch if. Wonderful running flat has appeared over there. If you guys take that trade, you did a nice job. If not, you will be keep watching for sell setups. Okay, nothing is over, guys. Okay, don't give up when you see that the price is falling. Don't aggressively jump in without seeing the setup on lower time frame. You have to see the setup. Okay, don't chase the running candles like you can see there. Okay, don't chase the running candles. You will be in a trouble. So keep an eye there, watch for your sell setups, and go for the trades. Okay, so 15-minute sell setups will be enough, and you can keep adding. Okay, I think that this will give you the correction probably today or maybe tomorrow at evening. Okay, so you will see. Your chief, what do we have there? Okay, there's the expanded fat which is trying to place out. So upcoming quick, nice sell also. Keep an eye there for the sell setups. Take that trades all the way back to break that bottom. Okay, so easy. Follow my arrow and you will make money. Trust me. But don't get in when you will see the price is already falling. Okay, like I said, and I will be keep repeating. Don't get in when you have the running candles. Let the price to stop. Silver, I do recommend you stay away from it. Okay, that ain't tradable. Okay, that probably go higher and then you'll watch for the sell stops. Okay, so for me, I'm not interested for that buy anymore. I wanna take the sell. Okay, there it will be the at least bigger correction before this thing will push to the upside. Okay, so let's wait. Let's wait and go for that bigger correction. If you want, you can go for the sell there. Depends which correction will appear, and then we'll have to decide. Okay, so no long-term trades there. There will be only short-term sells on silver. Okay, so we will say stay sideways for a couple of more months. Okay, we can stay there for till the September. Okay, but we'll see. Okay, that's not gonna go anywhere. Okay, silver will be for a sideways movement for the couple of more months. Gold, quite similar picture. Okay, the gold is trying to push higher. Gold will probably push a little bit higher, and then it will go totally to the downside, give you the nice and big correction also there. So if I move on daily, you'll be able to see what I'm anticipating. Okay, I anticipate there also the bigger correction before this thing will push to the high. Okay, or it can even aggressively break down. Okay, we can have something like that. Okay, so there will be the running flat, which is possible to appear. Okay, so keep watching for the sell stop. Don't hold them. It will probably not break down totally to the downside. Okay, just let me just have a look on weekly. Okay, so I don't see yet this thing will break down. I see we will have the tag of that high before, but not yet, okay? Let it give you the correction, then it will go high, break that high, tag it, okay? Then we'll start selling all the way back to that low. Okay, so be patient, don't get in for a long term. That's not a long term there on the gold anymore, okay? So if you were buying somewhere there, okay, you're doing great job. Slowly take off your profit, okay? Or if you were buyer somewhere there, you're having nice trades, protect yourself, okay, and try to take off your profit, okay. This thing will not explode to the upside, okay. I see it much more going lower, okay. Deeper correction, it's needed before this thing will push more to the upside. USDN, okay, as you can see that we are also in the correction. Watch for your sell setup. If you're already in sell, there was the lower time frame. It gives you a nice sell setup, so if you are in, great, protect yourself, watch your account grow. Okay, so be careful on the previous bottoms, but I don't think that price will stop by the previous bottom. I see it will break down, break all those bottoms, and then it will start to turn, and this move will be the money making move, and this is the move which you should catch. Okay, catch this move. This will be a hell of the move, which will more than double your account, okay? So make sure that you will not miss out, okay? Aussie, okay, struggler. I see also that one going down, okay? Tagging that bottom, and then we'll see and have to decide what the price is trying to do, okay? But keep an eye there on lower time frame sell setups. We are going all the way back to that bottom, okay? So also nice money there. Okay, so wonderful setups you're having there on the market, okay? Wonderful setups. Also there, New Zealand yen, okay, it's about to push lower. Okay, but be careful right now, you have to watch closely if the price will become aggressive right there, right now. If the price will become aggressive, then we will see the tag of that high before this thing will go down. Okay, so be careful. I would rather not go for the sell from the spot where it is right now. That's not for me. Okay, I would rather wait for the break of all those tops or even close to the top, I will be selling, okay? Or if it will break down, okay, I will don't care because I will get in anyway, okay? I will find and watch the lower time frames and I will join the wave only back to that bottom and then we will see where it is about to go. Chief yen going down, okay? I also see this one pushing lower. Be careful, it can even go a little bit higher like that, okay? And then it can go down. But yeah, keep an eye, take the sell setups, be careful on the previous bottom or this is your take profit level. Okay? Nice money. Nice wave is over there. Watch lower time frame for setups. Okay? Sell, 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 sell. Keep selling. Close to that bottom, you'll have to decide to take off your profit. But I think that you can make nice money all the way back to that bottom. Okay? So as you can see guys, I'm sharing with you the wonderful setups, wonderful money. Okay? Here's the quite similar scenario, CAD yen. Okay, if you were selling from here, here, or here, okay, great, you're doing well, John. If this will stop by the trend line, you should not sell right now, okay? You have to skip it. But if you are selling there, put it on break even. This thing can go for one more high. We can see that the price will go close back to those previous highs, and then you will be selling again, okay? So no selling from the spot where it is right now, no selling, okay? Like I said, let it break down, go for the correction, then you will be selling, okay? Or totally break down, correct, then you go for the sell, okay? You don't wanna sell from where it is right now, okay? But those trades you should have to protect them and put them on break even. Euro GBP, okay, so it's finally break out of the structure. I still see that the price the Euro GBP will go and break that high, okay? So the nice chart is there, and I see that it will be the running flat, possible running flat or expanded flat, okay? We will see. We just have to track it. We'll track the lower time frame and then we'll see where the price is about to turn. Okay, the lower time frames will always shows us and indicate us where the price is about to turn. Okay, so watch for your buy setups, break that top, and then we'll start watching for the sell. Okay, that's the nice chart over there. Keep an eye. Keep an eye, okay? Or you may skip that skip that buy and rather start watching for the sell. Prepare the setup for your sell and watch it closely. Pound New Zealand. This thing can struggle. Okay, it can also break down. It can also break down, or it can make new high, break that top, and then it will break down. So which one it will be? You cannot say right now. If this will struggle there by that trend line, it will go for the one more up. If this will give you the sell stop, take that sell, it will go break that bottom. Okay? Easy. But I don't like to sell that one. Pound New Zealand, it's not the chart which I'm watching actually at the moment. It's too low. Okay, as you can see that I don't like to sell at the bottom. I would rather watch for the other charts. Okay, the others are having much better setup. So try to ignore Pound New Zealand. Okay, that ain't for us. Pound cat, what we are having there, it's pushing down really nicely. Okay, so keep on watching for the sell setups. Okay, this thing will go break that bottom or this one. Okay, at tag of that bottom, it's quite possible, but at least that one will be breaking. Okay, so let's have a take that one. Okay, we will see break of this bottom. Okay, I'm 100% sure that we'll see that break of this bottom. So keep an eye there on your lower time frame. Take that sell. You'll see how far it will go. Protect yourself. Manage your trade if in case if it will get aggressive. Pound Aussie, what we're having there. Let's have a look. Going down. Don't go for the sell. Okay, this thing can do something like that. Close by the previous tops on lower time frame. Going down, break that bottom, then it can turn into the bigger correction, and then it will go down. Okay, so which one? I will not go there also on Pound Aussie for that short term sale. Okay, that's not good. If this will go higher from where it is right now, if it will get aggressive, break that high, then I'll watch for one more sell. Okay, this sell it will be better from there, somewhere there. This sell it's quite better. So keep an eye there when the market will open, what the price will be doing. Okay, Pound Chief, watch for your buy setups. This thing is completed for me, and yeah, I'm seeing this one pushing higher. Okay, this thing is about to push higher. So how far? Watch first the previous top. You will see how the price will be aggressive. Okay, by the previous high, you have to keep an eye what the price will be doing. Okay, it can just tag it and it can reverse. Okay, depends. We just have to keep an eye, but definitely you can watch lower time frame buy setups all the way back to that 10 line. Pound yen. That's not for me. Okay, this one is struggling there. Okay, struggle there. I don't like this behavior, but it will go to the upside probably. Okay, so keep an eye there. If you want to go for that buy, you can go for the buy, but I'm not interested. Also on pound yen. Okay, so I'm staying away from some of the charts. Okay, bad setups, and I'm just not watching it. Okay. Euronokian, this thing will also go down. So now we are close to the previous bottom. We break them. So now we are struggling. Watch for the price action. Take the trade. Okay. We will go break that top. This top. Okay. We will go and break that top. And then it can turn to the downside. Okay. So watch for your buy setups in the upcoming week. Take that buy. Put your take profit around the previous top. You cannot miss. And yeah, there's the nice money also coming. Natural gas. What do we have there? It is struggling, okay, and I think that this can struggle there much more. Okay, so we can go and see a deeper correction all the way back to that trend line at least before going higher, and then it can go for one more down, and then it can go up. So something like 1.5, 1.52, something like that. Okay, we will have to see. USD Mexican. And stay away from it, not tradable. It can go back that high and then drop down. So wait, okay? I'm not interested there. SP 500, it's at the top. Okay, so this is some labels from our accounting. Okay, so for my students, okay, when I'm teaching them how to trade. Okay, so this is from the private classes. So what you will do, okay, watch for your sell setups and keep on selling all the way back to the previous bottom. Okay, so sell setups, take the sales, you will see how far to go. It can go fast, okay, fast like that. It can appear, okay, so try to watch it on lower time frame. Okay, watch it on lower time frame. This thing can go really fast. This one. Fast movement can appear. Okay, that one also. It can push higher. Okay, if this will give you any signs of the reversal after breaking that high, you can go for the sell. It will go then sell and break that bottom. Okay, so there's the analysis, which is quite more complicated than you think. Okay, because you will not be able to catch that sell. Okay, this can go really fast, or if you will get in, it could happen that it will push higher and it will take you out with a losing trade, then you will miss the sell. Okay, so this is the thing, when the charts get complicated, the most people get lost. Okay, so it's really easy to recognize the patterns back in the past. Okay, but when the chart is live, then this is really hard to do, and you need the rules how to identify and where to identify, where to watch, how to watch. Okay, this is all the rules which I'm teaching my traders. Okay, I teach them where to watch, how to watch, and why. Okay, we have the reasons and rules, how to watch, why to watch, and so on, and how to get in and how to get out in case if the analysis goes wrong. Okay, so they are well prepared to trade this. So what you can do, I do recommend you stay away from it. Okay, or wait, break that top and then watch for the sell setups. Okay, watch for the setup. This only there you will become a seller. Okay, don't try to catch it from the top. You'll have a losing trade. Okay, you're not experienced enough. UK oil, what we're having there, the price is trying to push higher. Okay, so yeah, it will go higher, and watch for the buy setups. Okay, watch for the buy setups. I don't think that this will be totally break up at the moment. Okay, it can go up, then it will go for the bigger correction, and after having that correction, then we will be pointing all the way back to the upside. So first we need a bigger correction before this thing will reverse to the upside. Can that also turn to the downside? Of course, this is the reason why you have to be careful. This thing can also turn back to that bottom. Okay, so we may see the prices falling back down to 10. Okay, so watch it, be careful, it can go down. Okay, don't try to be rushy. Okay, watch it, both sides are open. So which one to be, you have to identify that on lower time frame, then you will see which direction the chart is going. But for you, it's better to stay away from it. Okay, I do not recommend you to trade it. Similar there. Okay, so I'm not gonna repeat the UK oil and US oil, they are the similar, so yeah, I don't have to repeat it. US 30, this thing will probably tag the previous high and then we'll see a reversal. So keep an eye there for your buy setups. Okay, so watch buy setups on lower time frame. 5 to 15 minutes will be enough. Take the trade if you want to go for that short term trade. Once it will tag that high, take off your profit. Okay, that this thing will not gonna go far. Copper. Okay, so copper was what is it doing? Okay, it's trying to push back. If it will push back, hold that trend, you can take that sell, but you'll see how far to go. Okay, I do anticipate go for the bigger correction there or totally reverse the downside. So which one it will be, I don't know. Keep an eye there. At the moment there's a spot where we cannot say. Okay, sometimes you need to give the chart some more time to show you which move is it about to complete. But yeah, it's not tradable. Copper, there's just small move and it's not worth of taking it. German 30, what we are having there. We are close to back to the previous top. Watch for sell setups, okay? Keep an eye there, take the sell setup, enjoy your profit, take it off by the previous low, okay? Easy. Platinum. Let me load the chart. Okay, this thing it's about to push higher. It's about to tag at least that high. Okay, so watch your lower time frame buy stops. Okay, it can go for the bigger correction before this thing will continue the upside. So we can see the sideways movement on the platinum. Okay, so it's going down. Now it's trying to push high, tag that high again, and then to go down, tag that bottom. Okay, and then it will finally push to the upside. Okay, so you just have to wait. Okay, if you don't want to trade, wait there on the platinum. Okay, we are just in the sideways movement, but if you want, you can go and take that buy. You'll see how far it will go. Okay, actually it will be good idea if you find the buy, catch the buy, and then you will see if it will stop by the previous high. You'll take off that profit. Why? Because it can go higher. Okay, that could be all the correction. But yeah, so taking that buy, it's a good idea. If it will stop by the previous high, take off your profit. If not, it will just ignore it. Boom, you have a nice trade. Ethereum, Bitcoin. Ethereum, Bitcoin is trying also to push higher. Okay, so let's have a look. This thing can just go into the big correction, but it will go high, tag that high, and then to go down. Okay, so Ethereum can push all the way back to the top. This is what we can have. So watch for buy setups. Bitcoin USD, okay, it's also watching for the buy setups. There it will be a nice buy, which will come over there. So is it buy ready right now? No, that ain't ready yet. So it can go a little bit lower and then go high. Still breaking that high, it's possible, and it can happen really fast. Okay, so how far we are pointing that Bitcoin? All the way back to that high. Okay, Bitcoin can get strong in the upcoming days. Ethereum USD, okay, sorry, Ethereum USD, yes. Ethereum Classic USD. Also, watch it to go higher. And Ethereum, also watch for the higher. Okay, this was the Ethereum Classic, sorry. And Ethereum, watch it also to push higher. Okay, so Litecoin, what do we have on Litecoin? This thing can go from low and then to go to the upside. Okay, so keep on watching it yet. Okay, it's trying to push lower, but it's not looking good. Okay, Litecoin USD, it's not tradable. Actually, watch for the other crypto. If you are trying to trade the crypto, don't focus on Litecoin USD. It's not looking good setup. Okay, so why you will force the chart which is having the bad setup? Okay, don't do that. Okay, rather stick to those who are having the better setups. Okay, so stay away from the charts which are giving you the bad setups. Watch for the buy setups. Okay, as you can see that this is forming you the nice buy setup. So Ripple, watch it, it will go tag that high and you'll have a nice trade. Okay, so easy trade. Watch for the buy, take that profit, it will go for the sideways and then it will continue to the upside. Okay, so easy. So guys, this is everything for today, for the upcoming week. So like I said, there are many setups which are trying to plays out in the upcoming week. So I hope guys you will not be forcing the trades. Okay, don't focus and don't trade the setups which are not ready. Okay, take those who are ready, but don't take them all. Okay, choose 2 or 3 of them, watch them closely, watch them all the way back down to the 5 minute, and then trade it. Trade it with 1% of the risk, and I can guarantee that you will make a nice money. Okay, so guys, if you are interested to join our trading academy, feel free to join us. Okay, once you will pay the subscription, I will add you in my Slack. Okay, we're having the Slack community with everyday and daily webinars where you can ask everything. There are also pre-recorded videos. Okay, so you will learn everything, and every day I'm showing you into the details, those patterns, how they are behaving, what rules we are using, why we are watching for the turning point, and so on. Okay, so yeah, like I said, once you will decide to join, you're welcome. Okay, so take care, enjoy your weekend, and be patient. Take care, bye bye.